Now, the Supreme Court on Friday issued notice to the central government on a plea by two gay couples seeking recognition of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954. The petition drew on earlier landmark rulings, including the one declaring privacy a fundamental right and another that decriminalized gay sex in 2018.
Hello everyone, welcome to Topic of the Day. In today's video, we shall be discussing about legalizing same-sex marriage. Now recently, a Supreme Court bench led by Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud issued notices to the centre seeking its response to the petitions filed by homosexual couples to allow solemnization of same-sex marriage under the Special Marriage Act 1954. The recent petitions seek to recognize same-sex marriage in relation to this act and not personal laws. It only sought to make 1954 Act gender neutral. Talking about LGBT, LGBT is an initialism that stands for lesbian, gay, bisexual and transgender. Many variants of this initialism exist, such as LGBT+ to mean LGBT and related communities. LGBTQIA is sometimes used and adds queer, intersex and asexual to the basic term. Now let us talk about the Special Marriage Act 1954. The Special Marriage Act 1954 provides a civil form of marriage for couples who cannot marry under their personal law. While Section 4 of the SMA permitted the solemnization of marriage between any two persons, a subsequent section placed restrictions. The use in Section 4, Clause C of the words male and female, as well as the use of gendered language such as the terms husband-wife and bride-bridegroom in other sections of the Act limit the access to marriage to a couple comprising one male and one female. In the view of petitioners, the recognition of same-sex marriage is a logical continuation of 𝐘𝐨𝐿G𝐻𝐭 judgment of 2018 and Puttaswamy judgment of 2017. In its present form, the SMA was ultra vires the Constitution as it discriminates between the same-sex couples and opposite-sex couples. The Act denied same-sex couples both legal right as well as social recognition and status that came from marriage. About 15 legislations which guaranteed the rights of wages, gratuity, adoption, surrogacy and so on were not available to the LGBTQ+ citizens. In the Nalsa vs. Union of India judgment 2014, the Supreme Court had said that non-binary individuals were protected under the Constitution and fundamental rights such as equality, non-discrimination, life, freedom and so on could not be restricted to those who were biologically male or female. In the view of Government of India, in 2021, the Solicitor General for the Centre told the Delhi High Court that as per the law, marriage was permissible between a biological man and biological woman. The acceptance of the institution of marriage between two individuals of the same gender is neither recognized nor accepted in any uncodified personal laws or any codified statutory laws. It also argued against the urgency of pleas by saying nobody was dying in the absence of a marriage certificate. Talking about the global scenario, a total of 32 countries around the world have legalized same-sex marriages, some through legislation while others through judicial pronouncements. The Netherlands was the first country in 2001 to legalize same-sex marriage. In some countries, the decriminalization of homosexuality was not followed for years by the recognition of same-sex marriage. For instance, in the US, the former happened in 2003, while the latter in 2015. So this was a little bit about the topic. Now let us take up one practice question on the same. Consider the following statements relating to the Special Marriage Act 1954. First, the Act provides a civil form of marriage for couples who cannot marry under their personal law. Second, the Act permits the solemnization of marriage between any two persons, irrespective of their caste, religion and gender. Now, which of the statements given above are correct? You can take a moment and write your answers in the comment section below. So as we know here, only the first statement is correct and the second statement is wrong. Therefore, the correct answer is option A, that is one only. And with this, we call it a wrap of today's edition of Topic of the Day. I hope you liked the video. I will see you with some other topic tomorrow. Till then, take care and do stay tuned.